Okay, guys, so I know I'm like 2 years too late, but I finally got my hands on the revair blow dryer, and I gonna tell you right now, like, if you know anything about me, you know that it ain't no way in hell I'm gonna spend $400, $500 on a blow dryer. So I reached out to them and they sent it to me. So shout out to them for sending me over the blow dryer to try, and I am like beyond excited to try this. So I'm gonna let y'all know if I think it's worth the money. And by the way, this is not sponsored. They did just send it to me, so it was gifted to me, but this is gonna be an honest review of the product. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so I gotta turn it on. I read all the instructions, so this should be good. So it's really easy to set up, but this thing is super, super heavy, and I don't think that this is something that I will be able to like travel with or take with me anywhere. Like, this is literally just something that I would have at my home, or if I worked at a salon or something, I would have it at the salon. But as far as carrying it somewhere, no, it's super heavy. So you just turn it on, you turn it to the level that you want it to be. I put it on level 5, and then you literally just have your hair in sections, and then you can put your sectioned off hair into the blow dryer. So it's a reverse air blow dryer. So you will just have to put your hair into the blow dryer and it will suck your hair in there. And for, you know, hair texture like mine, it will have to be like 90 seconds to leave it on there. So you just will count to 90, and then your hair should be really, really stretched out. So y'all, I was impressed. I'm gonna tell you right off the back, I was super, super impressed with this thing. It made me want to throw away all of my blow dryers. It made me want to like yell to the guys like, thank you for bringing this into my life, because this thing was a game changer for me. Like, it just was super, super convenient. I can just literally hold it to my hair and watch TV or watch my phone. Like, I don't really have to focus on my hair too much while using this, and that is great. After that first section, I was like, this is the most amazing thing I've ever used in my life. I was calling everybody I know for telling them about this thing. I was like, this is crazy. Have y'all heard about this blow dryer? And I'm like hella late because everybody on YouTube already did a review on this. But I was like, listen, if you haven't heard about it, I'm going to tell you about it, because this thing is amazing. Like, it really, really did what it was supposed to do. And it got my hair super, super, super stretched out. And it takes a long, long time for me to get my hair this stretched out with a regular blow dryer. Even with the comb attachment, it just takes quite a while, maybe like 20 minutes. With this, like, it took like less than a minute. I was like, wow, this is amazing. But yeah, I really, really liked it. And it's supposed to be a lot healthier for your hair because it's less tension on your hair. So you're not like pulling at your hair with the comb attachment or with whatever it is you're doing. It's less manipulation. So I do like that a lot. In each section, it was just a lot easier to do my hair, and I get the hang of it and how long I should keep it to my scalp. And each section was basically a lot straighter than the last. So I'm really, really, really loving this tool. I think it was a great invention. Whoever came up with it, kudos to them, because it was really, really smart of them to come out with a product like this. Do I think it's worth $500? Actually, I do think it's worth $400. It's actually $400. But they sent me like everything. Like, they sent me like everything that it came with, so the total ended up being like $500. But I do think it's worth the $400 if you're wanting to purchase something like this, because you probably will never have to buy another blow dryer in your entire life. And it does come with a warranty, so that is a plus as well. But overall, it's just super, super convenient if you don't have that much time on your hands. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10, and I definitely recommend it to you guys and to all of my friends to purchase this and invest in this, because it's worth it. Oh, and shout out to my subscriber on live who told me that I need to invest in this, or I need to reach out to this brand and get this, because she was just so in love with it. And I'm in love with it too, girl. 10 out of 10. revair. Definitely suggest to go get you one, because it's worth it. All right, so this time my hair looks blown out. after the process, and it's super blown out. It took only like 10 minutes, so I'm very, very happy. But yeah, if y'all have any more like tools or products that y'all want me to try out, I am just so willing to do it. I just really, really, really miss doing stuff like this on YouTube. So I'm back, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!